Hello friends, now here is the step-by-step simplification of this math problem by using the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says first we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket O. Stand for how we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponents. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Now according to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. So now according to the first step, evaluate the roots and orders. O in BODMAS says orders and exponents. So now first we solve root 100 is equals to 10 and second one cube root of 125 is equals to 5. According to this step, BODMAS requires solving the orders, roots and percentage before basic arithmetic functions. And now the current expression becomes 10 minus 25% of 40 and plus 5 multiplied by 2. Move to the next step. Now, according to next step, solve the off percentage, which is O in BODMAS says order and off. So now, according to this, 25% of 40. Now, solve the 25% of 40 is 25 upon 100 multiply 40. According cutting down values, we'll get 10. According to this step, the word off represent a direct multiplication grouping that take priority under the O phase. And now the current expression become 10 minus 10 plus 5 multiplied by 2. Move to the next step. Now multiplication. M in BODMAS says multiplication. Now first we multiply the digits. 5 multiply 2. It becomes 10. According to this step, there is no division left and so multiplication is the next priority. So now the current expression becomes 10 minus 10 plus 10. Move to the next step, addition and subtraction in BODMAS. So now the first operations we move from left to right. Now first we subtract the values 10 minus 10, it becomes 0. And now the next step 0 plus 10, it becomes 10. Now 10, which is the final result. And according to this step, addition subtraction carry the equal priority, so we work from left to right. Now 10 is the final result. According to this expression, the conclusion says by strictly following the BODMAS hierarchy, we safely simplified the complex parts, which is roots and percentage first, simplified the expression down to a straightforward sequence, which is 10 minus 10 plus 10, that yield a definite final answer is 10. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.